Hey everyone, I'm Selena from Rick's Review Hub. If you're a big and tall person searching for a comfy office chair that actually fits, you're gonna love this. Today we're diving into the GABRYLLY Ergonomic Office Chair for Big and Tall. This chair is built for comfort and support, and it might just be your new work-from-home bestie. Stick around as we break down its features, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it's right for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes this chair special. The GABRYLLY Big and Tall chair has a high-back mesh design that's super breathable, keeping you cool during long hours. It supports up to 350 pounds with a sturdy steel base that's BIFMA-certified for durability. You get a 3D adjustable headrest, 215-degree rotating armrests, and double-back lumbar support that fits your spine's curve. The seat is extra wide at 20.5 inches, and you can adjust the height from 22.8 to 26.8 inches. Plus, it tilts from 90 to 120 degrees for that perfect recline. The PU wheels glide smoothly on any floor without scratches. Now, the pros. The lumbar support is fantastic. It hugs your back and helps with posture, which is a lifesaver for long work days. The mesh keeps you cool, so no sweaty back even in hot weather. The 3D armrests are super versatile, moving up, down, forward, backward, and even rotating to fit your typing or gaming needs. Assembly is quick, taking about 20 minutes, and the wider seat is a dream for bigger folks. It's also stylish and feels like a premium chair without the crazy price tag. But there are a few cons. The lumbar support isn't adjustable, so it might feel too firm for some. If you're over 6'3" or under 5'5", the headrest might not align perfectly. Some users mentioned the seat cushion could be thicker for extra comfort during marathon sessions. Also, the tilt mechanism only locks at a few angles, which might limit lounging options. So, who's this chair for? If you're a big and tall person needing a durable, ergonomic chair for work or gaming, the GABRYLLY is a great pick. It's ideal for anyone between 5'5" and 6'3" who wants solid support and breathability at a budget-friendly price. Ready to upgrade your setup? Check the link in the description to grab the GABRYLLY Ergonomic Office Chair on Amazon for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.